Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to log in to TikTok using your QR code. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the TikTok on your browser. Then after that, you want to go and click on login. Then here you have this option, use QR code. Just have to click on it. And after that, you'll have to open the TikTok application on your phone. Then once you open it on your phone, go to your profile, click on the bottom right side, then go and click on this hamburger icon on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on your QR code. Then you want to go and click on this scan icon on the top right side right here. After you click on it, here you can scan the QR code as you can see, just like so. And it will automatically log you in into your account. Just click on login and you will be able to log in into your account. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.